Hey there, I would like to show you how to do conversion tracking. This is my Google Tag Manager, and you can see all of my tag here: conversion linker, Google Analytics measurement IT, Google Ads lead from submission tag, Google Ads phone call click tag, Google Ads tag, phone call 30-second, and WhatsApp tag. This is all about my tag. And now let me show you the trigger. This is all about the trigger. Sorry. Mistake. All element trigger, CSS selector trigger, from submission trigger, page view trigger, phone call click trigger, WhatsApp button trigger. All right. Okay. And I also create a variable for the Google tag. This is more important, and you will get all of this variable default. All right. And this is the mm, Google tag ID. Okay, thank you. And this is my website, demo website. This is my Google Analytics. So let me show you that admin data stream. This is my website, and this Google measurement ID. And now you can see the tag. Here you can see this is the Google measurement ID. Right. It is that. Now let me show you that whether all of my tag is working or not. We need to go for the preview. This is our website. First I will click on the WhatsApp button. All right, now I will go for the call from website. All right, it's working. Now I will go for the contract form. Let me fill up the contract form. This is demo. Is okay. Now it's a thank you page. Okay, let me show you that my all of trigger is not working or not. Now you can see my all of trigger is working. Conversion linker, Google Ads tag, Google Ads lead from submission tag, Google Ads phone call click tag, phone call 30-second tag, WhatsApp button, and Google Analytics measurement ID. This is more important for your remarketing and to feed data to your ad account so that it will reduce your ad spend. That's why without conversion tracking, uh, you need to think that whether you will run Google Ads or not. But before that, conversion tracking is must. Thank you.